Hi guys, welcome back to another section of our differential equation series. In this lesson, I'll show you the difference between homogeneous and non-homogeneous differential equation. I have some condition here to show you clearly when an equation is said to be a homogeneous differential equation or not. Let's quickly go straight to that. The very first condition is all terms should be on the left, all the terms of the equation. So if you get any equation, make sure you arrange all the terms on the left and it should be equal to 0. So this is the first condition it should satisfy. Then the second condition says, aside the dependent variable, no term should stand alone. So aside the dependent variable, no other term should stand alone. If these two conditions are satisfied, your equation is said to be homogeneous. If not, there will be non-homogeneous. I have a couple of examples here to show you. This is the very first example. X prime prime plus 2x prime plus x is equal to 0. Is this equation homogeneous or non-homogeneous? All the terms should be on the left should be equal to 0. That is satisfied here. They are all on the left and they is equal to 0. Is there any term here which is not the dependent variable and standing alone? No. X is the dependent variable. I can see 2x, I can see x here. So this equation is homogeneous. Homogeneous. When I come to the second one, x prime prime plus 2x prime plus x is equal to sine t. Are all the terms on the left? Yes. But there is one term on the right which is not 0. So if any term will be on the right, it should be 0 for it to be homogeneous. So this equation is non-homogeneous. For this one, x prime plus t squared multiplying x is equal to 0. All the terms are on the left and is equal to 0. I have t squared multiplying x, but so far as t squared is not standing there alone, but multiplied by our dependent variable, then this equation still becomes homogeneous. Homogeneous. If t squared has stood alone, then this equation will be non-homogeneous. So just obey the fact that all terms should be on the left. If any term will be on the right, it should be 0. For the last one, x prime plus t squared multiplying x is equal to t plus t squared. Obviously, you can see it's non-homogeneous. This is because our term here is on the right, which is not 0, and they are not being multiplied by the independent variable. Sorry, they are not being multiplied by the dependent variable. So far as you are having a term which is not a dependent variable standing alone and even on the right makes it non-homogeneous. That is all I have for you in this video. Show me some love by subscribing to this channel and sharing the video as well. Thank you.